Welcome back to my channel. So you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this 613 lace wig from Premium Lace Wigs. It's a 130% density wig, and it came all blonde like this. I'll be dropping a video too showing y'all how I dyed the roots my brown color. And yeah, if you want to see me install this wig, keep on watching. Okay, so I just showed y'all the gotta be glue, the clear kind that I used to push my edges back a little bit, and then I just put my wig cap on. Okay, so right here you see me first putting the wig on, and it didn't fit tight enough, so I went ahead and adjusted the adjustable straps that are in the back of the wig. Okay, so as you can tell, my wig cap wasn't blending in and looking like scalp, so I went ahead and took the wig off and used some colored powder from a contour palette that was close to my skin color, and I just covered the wig cap in that so it would look better. Alright y'all, so we looking good. It's looking like scalp and everything, so I'm gonna just put the rest of it in a ponytail so I can go ahead and start gluing this down. I'm gonna clip all my baby hairs to the back. I actually had them forward because I pressed them forward while it was still on my wig head, because that's supposed to make the baby hairs lay better, and I think it might have worked. But here I am cutting my ear tabs, and I'm just gonna cut straight back, basically like along the line of how the top of my ear goes, all the way until the back part of the wig can fit behind my ear and the sideburns can fit on the side of my face where they belong. And this is a very easy step, easier than you would think. Alright, so once I finally get both of those pieces of hair behind my ear, I'm going to make sure it fits my head correctly, and after that I'm going to cut some of the lace. I usually cut it in strips like this every time before I start gluing it, just because it's going to be easier to cut all the lace off when it's in sections. I could not do the whole thing at once. That would stress me out. Okay, so I'm going to use the Gotta Be spray. They got this in yellow as well. I think this was just like a limited edition kind. I don't know. They all work the same, I think. So I'm going to spray that in my hairline, press it down with the comb, and blow dry. Each section I'm going to do that 2 times. Make sure y'all are blow drying with cold air and not hot air. And periodically I'll be combing the sections back so that Gotta Be don't get dried up and stuck in your hairline. So section by section, I'm going to be pulling the lace back and cutting along the hairline where the hair starts at. So you can tell I'm using the scissors and I'm trying to do like a jagged line. Do not cut the lace in a straight line. It will not blend right, and it will not melt to your skin. Okay, so also don't worry about when I'm lifting the lace up and it looks light right there. We're going to fix that at the end. Alright, so I'm going back in with the Gotta Be spray, and I'm spraying it at the tip of the comb and just dotting it on my hairline, and you can literally see it melting right in front of your eyes. And you can do this with the clear Gotta Be gel or with the spray. Okay, and for these sideburns, sometimes they be needing some reinforcement. So you're going to see me spraying those directly because they be needing to stay down. Alright, after blow drying that part, I'm going in with some alcohol on the towel, and I'm just wiping all the shiny glue parts off of my forehead and face and everything. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell y'all, I did wipe my forehead with alcohol too before I did this whole thing because I did have makeup on it. Alright y'all, so now I'm separating all my edges that I'm about to use for baby hairs, and I'm just combing them all to the front so that I can tie my hair up and let it melt. First, I'm going to cut the baby hairs a little bit just so they won't be in my face the whole time my hair is wrapped up, because that's annoying. And I did want to tell y'all that I did not pluck this hairline at all. It just looks perfect to me. I bought the 130% density, and it just came like this.
So you do the intro at the end?
Yeah, because I look good. You feel me? Huh?
I get it.
Okay, so here y'all see me about to go in and do my baby hairs. This is the most hectic part for me because I'm just scared of messing up a wig, and I hate cutting the hair. So I start off by cutting just a little bit at a time, and I play with them and I swoop them and I cut more as needed. And y'all see me kind of cutting it in a diagonal line as it goes down. Like, I don't do them in straight lines. And of course, to swoop, we are using mousse by Olive Oil and a toothbrush. Okay, so please be careful when y'all combing y'all baby hairs, because that whole lace that you just laid will lift just because it didn't sit under the scarf long enough and dry to your head. Don't be rough with the toothbrush or the edge brush. Go really light. Alright, so I was at those edges for a really long time, but I finally got something that I like. And once I'm done, I'm just going to wrap my hair up and really let it sit for like 15-20 minutes just because I need all of that to stay. Okay, so the wait is over. I let it sit and everything. It's looking good. It's looking melted. My part is not, so I'm just going to fix that. And then I'm going to hot comb the sides and the part a little bit. Well, not really the sides because I hot comb my sides before I put the wig on, y'all. So that way it'll lay better. This wig was a 360 lace frontal, and so I had to cut the lace off of the back of the wig so it wouldn't be scratching my neck all day. Alright, so in my spray bottle is only water, and I'm just going to wet the hair a little bit on the bottoms and scrunch it up because it is body wave and I wanted the wavy look. And yeah, I'm really liking how it turned out. If y'all got any questions or concerns about this wig, I'll link it down below. And yeah, just let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching. I hope y'all learned something. And I will be dropping a video on how I dyed this hair very soon. So stay tuned. Bye, y'all.